Hey guys, what's up? Another World of Wizardry Geek Gear unboxing. Brandy here. Just worked all day and got home and I'm tired. Stopped at the mailbox and it's here. So I couldn't wait to do it. I hope the lighting in here is good enough for you guys to be able to see. I'm not sure. It's not December yet, so I'm thinking this is November's. So, let's get into it. Yes. Okay, so this is what you're going to see. Okay, so excited. Like I said in my last video, I'm from Canada. This box comes from the UK, so it's a little bit of a wait to get here. Okay, first item. It's a white box. Here we go. Okay, so I think this was in the hint of the magazine from last time, from the Chamber of Secrets. Is that there? Sorry guys, the lighting in here is not the greatest right now. It's one of the chess pieces, one of the knights. So that's neat. It's a very thick plastic. Put that little guy right there. Next thing we have, it's another box. Highest quality wares, it says on the outside. Just throw that down there for now. Okay. Oh, neat. Let me just get this out of the package for you guys. Giving me troubles. So I had this awesome unicorn pin that I wore in my sweet winter jacket, and it fell off the actual pin. But it looks like I have a replacement. You guys see that? It's got the little jewel at the bottom. I'm thinking, is it the Ravenclaw diadem? Like from that? It's quite heavy too. And it looks quite solid. I really like that. Ooh, new pin, and it kind of matches my hair. Okay, next item. Oh, so I'm thinking maybe this is their holiday box. See that? Is it awesome? Oh, it's awesome. So it is a Dobby. I read the books for so long it's hard to say what they actually call them. With a little Christmas stocking. Free the elves. That is great. I can't wait to wear that. I wouldn't even say that's an ugly Christmas shirt because it's got a house elf on it. Next item. Ooh. So you got this toque. It says you're a wizard. It's got a lightning bolt on this side. World of Wizardry exclusives. I'm going to take off my Meowie Christmas. Yeah. Love it. Next item. Oh. You guys don't know this about me, but I collect keychains. Anytime somebody goes anywhere, I tell them basically, hint, hint, I collect keychains. So I've got keychains from all over the place, and I love cute keychains. So here is a little Dobby. That's cute. It's plastic, which means I probably won't drop it and break it, but no, that is awesome. I'm so putting that on a bag. Okay, next item. There's a lot of stuff in this box. Oh. This is definitely the holiday box. I'm struggling with plastic wrapped items today. There we go. It's quite the packaging just for what is in here. So we have got Christmas cards, blank on the inside, Christmas tree, presents. I bet you that's not a broom under there. Oh, so this one says to House Elf from Master. Is that there? And on the inside, it's got a sock. So that's neat. 2 Christmas cards. I think I will easily be able to attach those to a present. Next item. Oh, it's a hint. Yeah, this is the November box. So the December box, hint. Our December box contains a mystery wand. Ooh. I don't even know what my favorite wand is. I really like them all. They're really intricate and beautiful. You guys have a favorite wand? Leave your comments below. So we've got, yes, November. The magazine, we'll look at that after. Still another item in here. Okay. Last item. Oh, that's cool. So we've got a Geek Gear exclusive print. House Gryffindor. So there's that. There's a lot of really neat design in that. I'm going to have to look at that a little closer after. Really neat. I noticed too on our wrappings, we've got snowflake tissue paper. So let's look at our magazine here. I was right about the house diadem brooch. Holiday greeting cards. The licensed Hogwarts house print was our your house, whichever house you chose. The Wizard's chess piece. Enchantment. Enchant your wizarding collection with this 10cm king chess piece figure. The Dobby. I'll get it. I'll have to rewatch again. The wizarding beanie. Here in Canada we call them toques. So toque beanie, whichever you like. I love it. And your Christmas house elf shirt designed by Risa Rodiel. Not quite sure. Hoping I'm saying that right. Love the design. Next month's box hint. Looks like they've got a bow truckle. Yeah, so that is the November box. Love it. Lots of items. Lots of items for the value, guys. If you like Harry Potter, I definitely recommend getting this box. That's my second one, and I love it. It impresses every time. I'm really excited to see December's now, if this was kind of our holiday one here. Yeah, if you guys enjoy these videos, I'll have more coming. I think I've got more Geek Gear World of Wizardry wearables coming. So, like, subscribe, leave a comment, whichever you like. And happy holidays to everybody. And we'll see you next time.